welcome to the Sawdust Studio. I know you guys are excited to see what we've got going on here, and I'm excited to show you. Let's take a quick walk around and I'll show you what we've got going on. So the first thing you see when you enter the shop is our 36-inch table saw, our 110, with the full router setup. Including a Jessam lift and a Bosch router. Its dust collection comes down to our G700 gyro air. We've also got a little bit of shop storage started. We'll show you a different video on that later. Also coming off our G700 for dust collection is our Alpha 615 bandsaw. We've got a Compass RG2 universal roller guide on it. Next, coming over to our sanding station with a little help from our friends at SurfPrep. And then over here is our 4 horsepower 110 52-inch table saw, the absolute beast centerpiece of the shop. It's got the Compass ST 1500 slider table on it and the Shark universal overhead guard. This thing's a beauty and it's a joy to work with. Its dust collection is powered by our larger gyro air, the G800, and we'll show you some of its special features in a later video. Coming over to this corner of the shop, we've got our T60 Lathe. I can't wait to turn some things for you on that. And then finally, also a centerpiece of the shop, is our big workstation where we can sprawl out our projects. So the purpose of this channel is to give you tips and tricks to help improve your skill as a woodworker, show you some shop organization skills that might improve your shop, and show some projects that you can quickly and easily do to maybe turn a little profit in your shop. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick tour. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.